Hi, I'm Margaret, and today there's no preview. Instead, I've got an extra recipe for you. I'm making almond and chocolate biscuits. So, after creaming the butter and the sugar together, I can add the egg, some vanilla extract, and give them a good old mix. Then, in with all the dry ingredients, flour, almonds, and the chocolate, and a little bit of salt. When this is well mixed in, I'm going to pop it into the fridge, just so it becomes easier to handle. I'm going to serve these little chocolate biscuits with ice cream, so I want them to be quite small and crisp. So I'm going to roll them into a little ball and spread them out on the baking paper. When they cook, they're going to sink into a nice biscuit shape, but we're going to help them on their way a little bit. A little bit of cocoa powder will add a nice surface to the biscuit, and it will also help when we push it down a little bit with a spoon. The spoon will be less likely to stick to the biscuit. If it does, dip the spoon back in the cocoa again, and it should work fine. Let them cool a little on the tray, and then when they've firmed up, pop them straight onto the cooling rack. They cool ever so quickly. I hope you've enjoyed my extra little recipe today. Take care, and I'll catch you on Monday.